Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Penpot. It's release time. Penpot just hit version 2.12, which means that it's time to level up. So here's the video breaking down all the new features in depth. So tokens are now actually visible where you work, variants get new updates, and PDF exports finally behaves like it understands how real teams communicate. So yeah, let's break it down. Design systems are meant to make your life easier, but when your tokens are hiding 3 clicks depth, what's the point? This update fixes that properly. Now your color tokens show up right there in the properties sidebar. From this panel, you can navigate between your design token sets and find them easily. Design flow first, UI clutter second. In inspect mode, you'll now see the actual token names instead of a mystery color value. This does two massive things: improves clarity and reduces guesswork during design handoff, and makes designers and developers stop arguing about tiny ambiguities. Variants are one of those features you use 1,000 times a week, so every tiny bit of friction matters. With 2.12, boolean properties finally behave the way your brain expects them to. Binary states now get a clean toggle instead of a dropdown. You can blaze through multiple instances, tweak flows, prototype quicker. Everything just moves more naturally. Alright, let's talk about exporting. You choose exactly which boards go into the PDF. Want just the final screens? Only a slice of the flow? Go for it. Just select the boards you want to export as a PDF directly on the canvas, and this will be reflected in the PDF export modal. Quick and easy. Alright, a quick shoutout. Penpot wouldn't be Penpot without the community. Perfect sample, the user Took It To Me spot that pixel snapping went a bit junky when zoomed out too far. This user looked into it, and now snapping works cleanly at every zoom level. Thank you very much. And that's the point, real user catching real problems and helping make the tool better for everyone. It actually makes a difference. Penpot 2.12, it's about optimizing and refining your daily workflow, more visibility, smoother component work, and cleaner exporting. If you are a Penpot user already, you are gonna feel these improvements instantly. And if you are not, what are you waiting for? Please, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and do all the things the algorithm loves. See you in the next video. Take care.